everybody, so we're here at Texas Motor Speedway for Formula Drift round 5, and it's so cold. It's like the low 40s today, and my BRZ is not starting. Let's see.
That look good?
Yeah, look like a beanie. Alright,
What we need.
alright, it started it. Truck walk. Wow, looks like super fast truck, man.
Yeah, it is. Look at out,
Out.
then hang out bit.
Wow, this is so much distance. Alright, so practice is starting soon. Since my accident, I didn't have chance to test the car. You know, car's repaired, everything's fixed. Better than before, but don't know if it works or not. Which I'm 99% confident, but we'll find out in the first lap. Wish me luck. Had a couple laps in and the car's working great. Could be better than before, so really good. It's just so cold. It doesn't feel like we're in Texas, because Texas every year it's super hot. And we found some looseness on the car, which is this guy. My boy's gonna fix this, and I'm sure the car will feel even better. Something I forgot to do prior. Alright, now it looks like an official FD car. Got a little off-roading this practice session, but good about it. Not really. When in Texas.
You all enjoy.
Alright. Thank you.
Arigato.
Waffle House. I got Texas cheese steak, bro. So today is Friday, which means Pro 2 competition. So we're not gonna have a track time today, but we're here at the track and working on the car. So actually, yesterday's practice didn't go well. The first couple laps, I thought the car was perfect, but as I drive more harder and harder, I feel something weird from the front suspension, and I thought something wrong from the crash from Seattle, but we couldn't find anything, so I just kept driving. So didn't have a really good runs, but this morning we found something. One of the lower control arm was bent slightly, so that was causing almost like a over center type thing when I have a full lock to one direction. It's kind of easy fix. They're making another spare in case it goes wrong. So I think tomorrow I think I can drive a lot better. got a good seat to watch the top 32 of Pro 2s. Morning, so round 5 is starting. We're gonna go to driver's meeting and have a little warm-up reps, which is a practice, and heading into top 32 battle.
Yoshihara, turn 14 distribution, Falcon tires, Subaru BRZ, Ineos oil, running through the veins. You got Dan Burkett, the Rad Industries Toyota Supra. Looking good, feeling right. Throwing it in, past that front clip, Dan Burkett center punches it. Yoshihara comes out of that second outside zone into the third. You see Dan Burkett hungry, chomping at the bit, but Yoshihara taking that wide, sweeping line. This is where it gets a little hairy. You know, you really have to just, again, temper that flame, keep it back just a little bit, but save some in the tank, and there you go. So Yoshihara alternates with Dan Burkett. He takes out that front clip, and now into that last outside zone, into the sweeping turn. Dan Burkett looking good out front. Gets the win, taking out Dan Burkett.
Just had a battle with Rat Dan in top 32 and got moved on to top 16. It was a good battle, and honestly, before the battle, I wasn't super confident because I haven't done like really good practice run yet. But I think that top 32 round wasn't too bad. So from here on, hopefully I can pick up more speed, more line, angle, getting better. But I need more time on this track.
In the turn 14 distribution, Falcon tires, Subaru BRZ. It is slide or die, Jiro Yoshihara.
Top 16, going up against Ryan TUERCK. Ready?
It's all Ryan TUERCK and Daijiro Yoshihara. In that first outside zone, Ryan, that was kind of where we've seen a lot of the drivers initially in that first outside zone, coming to second through the power alley, into that third outside zone, and another driver really trying to get to the side. Oh man, he is bathing in that smoke. Bring it all the way around, man. Give that guy a bar of soap. He is dirty. Yoshihara leading, Ryan TUERCK giving chase. Initiating in that first outside zone. Nice fluid line there from Yoshihara. Like I said, oh, Ryan TUERCK offline. Does not get out to that second outside zone. Does salvage a run. I thought for sure he was going to go off course, just not get the car to slide out one more time. So there it is.
Got knocked out in top 16. Had a great battle with Ryan TUERCK. And one more time. I just pushed a little too hard when I was following him, and I bumped him. Sorry, Ryan. And ended up put myself outside of the track. Had a good read lap, but it was too little too late. So, and lost the bumper, the splitter. But we'll come back stronger tomorrow. Damn it. Right, day 2 is starting. Round 6, babies.
Yeah. Are you awake?
Kinda, almost.
Come on, Maverick. I need you to do this.
Yes, sir. Right, sun's out. Car's gonna be out. Round 6, let's go.
So here we go, Yoshihara in that first outside zone, initiating. And Masuyama past that front clip. See Yoshihara pulling away into that third outside zone, allowing Masuyama to gain that proximity. Ooh, you can see, you saw how violent he moved that vehicle from front to back. And away they go. Masuyama really needed to step up, but Yoshihara is going to apply the pressure. Let's see how much he does. So you can see Masuyama through that power alley, and that's exactly where Dai needs to be. Oh, look at that. Oh, a correction there by Masuyama. Daijiro Yoshihara gets the win.
All right, just moving on to top 16. Had a good battle with Masuyama. Had a really clean lead, and chase was pretty good too. And moving on. Feels good today, so today we're gonna go deep. Or the box.
Right now, it's all about Taylor Hull and Daijiro Yoshihara. Two very different styles. Taylor Hull, very aggressive, Dai, smooth like butter. Coming, wow, look at that. Taylor Hull hit that three-wheel motion. That suspension issue they had earlier seems to be no problem at all now. Yoshihara slides to the side of that Cam's Cadillac ATS-V. Now bringing it across the finish line. A lot of eyeballs on Yoshihara over the 17 years he's been competing. Some of that second outside zone. You can hear those Achilles and Falcons just absolutely shredding. Look at Taylor Hull blocking up all four as he gets right to the side of Daijiro Yoshihara. Dai does get the win. It is unanimous.
All right, just moved on to top 8. Really good battle with Taylor Hall. It was really close. I thought it could be one more time, but I got it. I'm super pumped. Today will be a good day.
Chris will lead. Dai give chase. Chris is outside zone. Let's see how he handles that front clip. Oh, Dai Yoshihara center punching that front clip. Now coming into that big sweeper and that third outside zone. Ryan, I wonder if the conditions are changing. Look at Dai Yoshihara hunting them down right there on the door of Forsberg.
Just lost against Chris Forsberg again. Last event at Seattle, I got too excited. I made a mistake. I crashed the car. So today was a great opportunity to pay him back, but he got me again. It was a good battle though. I feel like I did my best. My follow round was a little sloppy, but he was good and he followed me really well. So on to Arvindale.